Tired of that pesky Microsoft Office activation window popping up? Let's explore legitimate ways to unlock Office without breaking the bank. First, check if you're eligible for a student program. Many schools and universities offer Microsoft Office 365 education for free to enrolled students. Visit your school's website or IT department to see if they participate in this program. It usually involves verifying your student status through your school email address. Keep an eye out for promotional offers. Microsoft occasionally partners with other companies to offer bundled deals that include a free Office subscription. These promotions are oftentimes sensitive, so stay informed by checking the official Microsoft website regularly or subscribing to their newsletter. Did you know you can use Microsoft Office applications for free online? Microsoft offers free web-based versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. Simply go to office.com, sign in with a Microsoft account, and start creating and editing documents directly in your browser. This is a great option for basic use and doesn't require any installation. Now, a word of caution. Steer clear of websites offering free product keys or cracked versions of Office. These sources are often illegal and can expose your computer to malware, viruses, and other security threats. It's simply not worth the risk. So, whether it's through a student program, a promotional offer, or the free online versions, there are legitimate ways to access Microsoft Office without resorting to illegal methods. Explore your options, stay safe online, and unlock the power of Office the right way.